Hey everyone! Welcome back to Toon Talk English. Today, we're going to make your mornings and nights a lot more fun.
Yeah, because honestly, Neha, if you keep saying good morning and good night every single day, it gets.
Boring! Exactly. It's correct, but it feels a little plain, right?
Totally. And the best part is, English has so many easy alternatives you can use. And guess what? People actually use them in real life, like at home, with friends, at work, even on WhatsApp.
Yes. So today, we'll share 20 powerful alternatives, 10 for good morning and 10 for good night. And don't worry, we're not just reading a list. We'll tell you when to use them, how to use them, and give you real-life examples. And, of course, you can practice with us. Ready, Aryan?
Always ready. Let's start with the mornings.
Okay, let's start easy. Just say morning.
Yeah, you don't always need to say good morning. Just morning is short, friendly, and casual.
Perfect for friends, coworkers, or classmates. Let's try it.
Morning, Neha.
Morning. Did you study for the test? See? Simple, quick, and natural.
This one is warm and cheerful. Morning, sunshine. It's sweet, it's playful.
Yes, use it with someone close, like your kid, your partner, or even your best friend. Morning, sunshine. You look fresh today.
Thanks. I needed that.
See? It instantly adds energy. One of my favorites, wakey wakey sleepyhead. Perfect when someone just refuses to get out of bed.
Yes, parents say this all the time, but you can use it with siblings too.
Wakey wakey sleepyhead. Breakfast is ready.
Ugh, 5 more minutes, please.
I'm sure you've heard that line before.
Here's another cheerful one. Rise and shine. It means wake up and be happy.
Exactly. Not just wake up, but wake up with energy. Rise and shine, Aryan. We're late for our podcast.
Wait, what? Already? Okay, I'm up.
This one's funny. Say, look who's up when someone finally wakes up late.
Yeah, like you're teasing them for being lazy.
Well, look who's up. Did you sleep all day?
Guilty as charged.
This one's super practical. Happy plus day of the week. Instead of saying good morning, say happy Monday or happy Friday.
People actually use this in offices and schools. It sounds cheerful.
Happy Monday, Aryan. Ready to work hard?
Not really, but thanks for the energy.
Happy Sunday, everyone.
Hey, how's your morning going? This one is great if you want to start a short conversation.
Hey, Aryan, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. Already had my coffee. What about you?
Still waiting for my tea.
See? It's polite and opens the door for more talking.
It's a beautiful morning. Say this when the weather is really nice. It spreads positivity.
Wow, it's a beautiful morning.
Yes, let's go for a walk.
Good day. This one's a little formal. You can use it in shops or offices.
Good day, sir. How can I help you?
Good day. I'm just looking around.
Morning, everyone. This one works great when you're greeting a group. Morning, everyone. Let's begin the lesson.
Morning, teacher.
Okay, that was 10 easy ways to say good morning. Neha, what about the nights?
Yes, let's end the day in style. Classic 1. Sweet dreams. Wishing someone nice dreams. Good night, Aryan. Sweet dreams.
Thanks, same to you. Another common one, sleep tight. It just means sleep well. Okay, Neha, sleep tight. See you tomorrow.
Night, Aryan. Cute one, often for kids. Nighty-night. Nighty-night, little one.
Good night.
Sleep well. Simple, natural. Anyone can use it.
I'm heading home. Sleep well, Neha.
Thanks, you too.
Have a restful night. This works well when someone is tired.
You worked so hard today. Have a restful night.
Thank you. I need that.
Romantic one. Dream of me.
Good night. Dream of me.
We'll see about that.
Night. See you tomorrow. Very practical. You'll hear this a lot. All right, Neha. Night. See you tomorrow at the studio.
Yep, see ya.
Lights out. Fun one, usually when you're turning off the light. Okay, kids, lights out.
Aw, 5 more minutes.
It's time to hit the sack. This is an idiom, very common in spoken English. It means go to bed. I'm exhausted. It's time to hit the sack.
Good idea. Go rest. I need to hit the hay. Another idiom, same meaning, sleep. It's late. I need to hit the hay.
All right, good night then.
So, friends, now you know 20 fun and natural alternatives for good morning and good night.
And the best part? These are phrases people actually use daily, so no more boring greetings.
Exactly. Here's your challenge. Pick one new phrase in the morning and one at night. Do this for 10 days and you'll master all 20.
And don't forget, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Toon Talk English.
Before we go,
Good night, sweet dreams.